Hey guys, welcome back to Pickers. Today I'll be showing you how to work on my dad's Ford F-250. I will be working on his S&B Cold Air Intake. Let's get to it. So first, I'm gonna move this slider a little. I'm gonna slide my hand under right there. Pop. Oh, pull it down or up?
Push it up.
Up.
Being a Ford owner, you'll get used to this.
Just slam it on the table. Make sure you don't break it for anything.
Hit the rubber side down.
Yeah.
And you're gonna knock any debris right out of there. Keep turning the filter as you do it.
Alright, now that we just got all the debris out of our air filter, now we just gotta soak it down really good. And let's get to it. You wanna spin it for me?
Yeah, good. You can spray it while it's up.
That should be good.
Alright.
Now we gotta rinse it.
So we need to let it sit for how long?
10 to 20 minutes.
10, 15, 20 minutes? We'll let that cleaner work and do its job, and then we're gonna do what?
Gotta do that or rinse it.
Gotta rinse it first and then let it dry.
Yeah. Alright, now we just need to rinse it and then let it dry for 24 hours.
Okay, so how long has this been sitting since we sprayed the cleaner?
About like 15 minutes.
15 minutes.
This is looking clean.
It's looking pretty clean, dude.
Yeah. Now this is what you want. But you might want to take a little bit of time to spray it so you get like most of it out.
I think that's good.
Just some finishing touches to make it clean.
Okay. All
That's how
right.
you get it done.
It's done, clean. We'll let it dry. Come back tomorrow and we're gonna oil it up.
Alright, you might be wondering why I'm wearing different clothes, because I waited 24 hours for it to dry. Now we just gotta oil it, and the percentage you want is it 96 grams?
96 grams for the Ford F-250 that we have and this specific filter setup. We're gonna be oiling it with 96 grams. Joseph's gonna take it away and show you how easy it is to re-oil the filter. Gonna use it up. You're gonna leave about 10 grams left in the bottle to touch it up after it dries a little bit.
Alright, now that we're waiting for the oil to dry, I'm gonna teach you how to blow a whistle with an acorn cup.
Let's see it, dude.
So first, you wanna take your hand and put it like that, and then pinch like that, and then do the same thing, and then do that. Make sure it's like a triangle, and then go like this.
That's loud.
Yeah, it is. You wanna try?
I'm gonna have to see if I can do it.
Alright, let me
Challenge accepted. So after about 3 or 4 tries, Joseph showed me how to do it. Mouth on my knuckles and blow.
Here, open up your knuckles just a tiny bit, and it'll probably be louder. But I think
Still not at pro level, but I'm getting there.
Yeah.
Cool. Thanks, dude.
You're welcome.
Here's your whistler.
Hold on. I mean, it takes me a couple of tries because I learned a couple of days ago. And that's how you blow a whistle.
Sweet.